Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to use Caret package in R for k-fold cross-validation method with logistic regression. On the screen you see the spam dataset. This spam dataset is composed of recipients, hyperlink and characters as predictor variables, and spam is equal to 0 or 1. It's a binary variable. It's equal to 1 if the email is spam, and it's 0 if it's not spam. So we are going to use this dataset and run a predictive model using a logistic model, and then we use the Caret package for the k-fold cross-validation method. We first need to set our working directory, session, choose directory, and then open. And second, we import the spam data into a data frame and label it my data. So my data is equal to read.csv and spam.csv, and control enter. We install the Caret packages and then activate that Caret package. Install.packages. I have already installed. If you haven't done, you have to first install the package. I'm not going to use this command. And then library Caret, and then control enter. And next we are going to create an object called myControl. MyControl is equal to train control, and in the parentheses method is equal to CV for cross validation, and for number we are going to choose 4, and then control enter. Before estimating the logistic regression model, we must convert y from numeric type into factor type so that R treats it as a categorical variable with 2 classes. In other words, a dummy variable. We use the s.factor function to accomplish this task. So we are going to enter here my data, and we will choose the spam variable from there, and that's equal to s.factor, in the parentheses my data, and again we choose spam, and then control enter. Then our first model is going to include spam as a response variable, recipients, hyperlinks and characters as our predictor variables. In the second model, we are not going to include the characters, we will just use predictors as recipients and hyperlinks. Let's do model 1 is equal to train, in the parentheses spam, and then we have recipients, and plus we have hyperlinks, and plus we have characters, and data is equal to my data, and tr control is equal to my control, method is equal to glm, and family is equal to binomial, in the parentheses link is equal to logit, and then metric is equal to accuracy, and then control enter, and then control enter. We can see the model 1 by just typing here and then control enter, so you can see the results here. Accuracy rate is here. Now for model 2 we have everything. We are going to copy first model 1 and then change here model 2, and then we are going to get rid of characters and then run model 2. And let's type model 2 here, control enter. So our reports the accuracy rates for both models. For model 1 it's 78.99%, and for model 2 it's 75.98%. So based on this result, model 1 is better for making predictions. Again, we can implement a 4-fold cross-validation that is repeated 5 times by modifying myControl function. So we can copy myControl and paste it here, and here we are going to change this part to repeated CV, and number is 4, and then we are going to add repeats is equal to 5. So this is how you can use Caret package to perform k-fold cross-validation technique when you have a logistic regression model in R.